We get the first news of the OnePlus 6T coming to the United States this fall with a killer price tag and even a US carrier. The Pixel 3 XL was just stopped in the wild, and we really hope that Google is just playing with us. And we also get some interesting rumors of the Apple Watch Series 4 that reveal specifications and the price. I am Jaime Rivera, my cold is getting better, and I seriously am so sick I didn't even know that it was Friday. Now I'm just forced to celebrate. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals as Best Buy has just launched their 2-day anniversary and they've got a ton of good options. Some of them are up to $600 off when it comes to MacBooks, which is rather weird but actually happening, so you can learn more about everything in the description. It depends on really what you're looking for. Now let's talk about the affordable MacBook Air, as we hear rumors this product was actually ready since last year, but the chips were not ready, and so we're now going to get it until the next couple of weeks. And apparently the problem with this whole rumor is affordable MacBook Air for $1,200. What is... We were hearing anything below $1,000, not $1,200, so we'll see what we get. And speaking of Apple, we've got rumors of the Apple Watch Series 4, a possible September 12th announcement. We hear that the price tag is going to remain the same, around $350 to $390 something dollars. We also hear that the display bezels are getting smaller, better sensors for fitness, better battery life, and apparently the buttons are now going to be capacitive, sort of like what we have with the iPhones, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus. So that's going to be interesting. We'll see. And holy Mary, mother of notches, something just happened right now in Canada where the Google Pixel 3 XL apparently was spotted, and there's a photo, and wow, that notch really, according to the recap, the sources of Sipco, that thing is huge. It looks completely asymmetrical to the bottom. It seems that this is probably the final design. We're hoping that this is a joke, that this is again just fake rumors. Oh, but seeing it in the wild running Android P, that's a tough one. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the OnePlus 6T. Yes, the rumors have begun, and the source is apparently getting information from T-Mobile that this phone is coming to the United States to T-Mobile, and it's going to be dubbed the flagship killer as part of the company's whole Un-carrier plan. $550, changes in the design. We hear that the notch on this display is going to look a lot like the Oppo F9 that I have here, which I know it looks so cool. The notch is seriously very small, and let me know what you want to know about this phone in the comments. But yeah, apparently the price is $550, obviously great specifications, and this is going to be the time when OnePlus finally nails a US carrier. Let us know in the comments. What do you think? Do you think that this is a great strategy? $550, a US carrier, and the new design? Because in my case, I like this display. Definitely we'll have to see what they're bringing to the back and the specifications, but I trust OnePlus in that part. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel as well for more videos like this, in addition to our Spanish channel. We've got content there as well. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.